Fire Palmon loves to burn and stun enemies, turning them into a teamwork faction in Palmon Survival. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will walk you through 3 Fire Palmon, Escarffier, Magmolin, and Revontulet. Basics. Unlike water and electric, fire only has 2 regular UR frontline Palmon, Escarffier and Magmolin. Revontulet is a regular UR backline Palmon. If you want a third frontline option, you will need the seasonal Fire Palmon, Embergeist. Embergeist is strong, but it is a pay-to-play option, so we won't include it in this video. Escarffier has the highest normal attack damage in the entire game. Its basic attack deals over 1,700% damage to a single enemy, which is about 2 to 3 times higher than most Palmon. If you plan to use Escarffier, upgrading its first skill becomes crucial. Magmolin and Revontulet deal around 300% and 500% in normal attacks, which is nothing special. Their 4th skill is standard, increasing attack, defense, and HP by 20%. Escarffier. We've got a chef here, and this chef is quite unique. Escarffier's rage skill does not deal damage. Instead, it tosses a perfect hamburger to the ally with the highest attack. This ally gains a 40% attack boost for 10 seconds. After casting its rage skill, its evolved skill restores 30 rage to the highest attack fire ally. If your highest attack ally is also a Fire Palmon, it gets both the attack boost and extra rage, allowing it to fire off its next rage skill much faster. Escarffier's passive skill increases its own rage generation by 30%, and that means more burgers flying into your team. Overall, Escarffier is an excellent support for Palmon in the Fire faction. It's just not a strong tank because it lacks survivability skills. Did you know the in-game bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Magmolin. Magmolin's rage skill hits 3 enemies for over 1,400% damage and burns them. Since it is a frontline Palmon, we shouldn't expect massive damage output. But what makes Magmolin valuable is the burn effect. The burns deal an additional 1,800% damage over 10 seconds, which translates to 180% damage per second. When Magmolin evolves, it gains another burn effect. Whenever it takes damage, it has a 25% chance to burn the attacker, dealing 150% damage over 5 seconds. Its passive skill provides 20% damage reduction to all fire allies, which makes the entire fire lineup much durable. It also boosts steel output by 100%, which is not a battle advantage but helps with base development. Overall, Magmolin is a must-have frontline Palmon for fire teams. It strengthens the team's durability and keeps burning the enemies. Revontulet. Revontulet is a cute 5-tailed Palmon, and once it evolves, it becomes a 9-tailed fox. Its rage skill fires 3 to 5 fireballs, each dealing over 1,500% damage. The number of fireballs is random, so the total damage can vary a lot. The best scenario is to fire 5 fireballs, reaching almost 8,000% total damage. If it shoots only 3, the total drops to about 4,700%. While Revontulet's raw damage isn't as significant as the hitter in other factions, the burn effect helps bridge the gap. Any enemy hit by a fireball will burn and receive an additional 1,400% damage over 10 seconds. That's a big chunk of damage if we account for it in the total damage. Its passive skill gives all fire allies a 20% damage boost, which makes Revontulet a must-have Palmon in the fire lineup. When evolved, this passive becomes even better, increasing the damage boost by half, adding another 10% for the whole team. Overall, Revontulet functions as a hitter and supporter. It is absolutely a must-have for any fire team. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.